Welcome to the D.I.Y wardrobe installation guideline.
Bottom panel, side panel, back panel, long door, U-shaped connector, small door, front leg, stand, corner, panel, hanger bar, bracket, nut, hanger pipe. Let's start fixing. Step 1. Fix the stand and front leg with the bottom. Step 2. Fix back panel and side panel.
Tips: use Phillips screwdriver.
Continue fixing up. Step 3. Fix U-shaped connector. Continue fixing up. Step 4. Fix long to doors. Step 5. Fix the hanger bar bracket both sides. Hanger bar bracket can be adjustable. Fix hanger pipe. Step 6. Fix the small doors.
Don't forget to like and follow our Facebook page, Cam Plastic Industry Malaysia.